With the weather heating up, it's really important to be hydrated. Did you know that we need 30 mils per body kilogram? So a 60 kilogram person needs about 1.8 litres of fluid a day. A 90 kilogram person needs about 2.7 litres of fluid a day. Now, it doesn't all need to be water. It can be soups, it can be smoothies, it can be tea, including herbal tea. And I've just been messing around in the kitchen making some really lovely iced tea out of Mim Beim tea blends. And actually they taste pretty good. So what you do is the night before you make a strong pot of tea with your favourite blend. And the ones that work really well for iced tea include Resilience, which has got that lemon myrtle flavour. Glow, which is the lovely one for skin, and it's the detoxing one. It's lovely. It's got a bit of dandelion, it's got a bit of burdock, echinacea, calendula, and it tastes really good. Or Digestivo, which is of course the one for the tummy, but as you know, anything good for the gut is also good for the mind. So historically, herbal teas for the tummy, including lemon balm and chamomile, are also very calming for the mind. And getting on to Christmas, that's probably a good thing. Also, in these times of COVID, we all need a bit of settling of tummy and mind. So, back to the tea. The night before, make a strong pot of tea, and overnight, just let it sit, cool, and then pour some into a jug. And here you might like to add some soda water or just plain tap water, your choice. And then a final touch, adding some ice cubes. Delish. So here's some beautiful iced tea. This one's Resilience. And cheers. Lovely. So all of my teas are organic. They don't have any artificial sweeteners or sweeteners of any kind. However, they do have a little bit of licorice, which gives it that natural, it's great adrenal tonic and gives it that natural sweetness. It's also great if you wanted to use it going to the gym or hot yoga. Half water, half tea, fantastic. And also, what's happened recently at the house of Mim Beim is that we have found these wonderful 100% compostable bags. So all the tea blends now are in these 100% compostable bags, which is fantastic. And then, of course, the silk tea bags are biodegradable as well. Now, because it's been a hell of a year, I am offering you 15% off all of my tea blends. Just go to mimbeim.com and buy some tea, and at the checkout, put in Christmas, spelt XMAS, all in caps, and get your 15% off. Happy New Year, happy Christmas.